What's up, everybody? Ethan Vlogs here. Today we're going to be going to the store. I gotta get batteries for this camera so I can vlog. And, yeah, I'm gonna get myself a drink while I'm there, and stuff. So, yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there and we can get this day started. Okay, guys, I just realized during editing this, that I lost some of the footage. Yeah, so you're going to be faced with a half vlog today. I lost some of the footage. I had today's intro, and then, yeah, so I guess that's, dude, this is so hard to hold that camera like this. I guess that's what we're going to have to work with. We lost half of the video footage because the GoPro, I guess, crashed in words during the middle of recording, and then the file did not recover properly and my computer cannot play the file. So yeah, you're going to be faced with just me in the store saying I got the batteries and the drink, and it's just going to go off from there. And yeah, and you're also going to get another video. It's going to be a bonus clip on me actually taking the muffler off my mom's car, so I hope you guys enjoyed that extra footage. That'll be uploaded in like a day or two after I get that all edited too. Yeah, I guess we will see you guys in the next one. Got some batteries in the drink. I think I'm gonna go pay. I was looking at pliers, but I don't want none of that. I probably need some of that though. Not the kind of pliers I need though. Yeah. I feel my cup get me fucked up. I ain't coming back, nah. I feel the love from all the jack. I'm faded, little bit more gon' get me jaded. Little bit of pills gon' make me famous. Yeah. You know what you do to me. Try to change the mood I see. I found the camera. First go too, kind of. Alright, I got my shit. I should probably put the batteries in the camera, but I'll do that elsewhere. I'm probably getting mugged. People see I have a nicer camera than a GoPro. Shit. Man, I usually get that every time. I toss my bag up and then I grab it by the handle. I get that every time too. My camera's even in the bag. Oh, I hate this. People will think I've never done this before. It's true. I'm usually out here with a mountain bike doing this shit. And of course my zipper is like not opening. This bag's older than fucking dirt, dude. Okay, I got batteries and shit. Wouldn't be the end of the world. I don't even know what I'm saying that about, but it wouldn't be the end of the world. Really would not be though. Whatever it is. I mean, the coronavirus is the end of the world, but Jesus Christ. Or at least that's what we all think. I just say it'll be done soon, sort of. Maybe not. During the summer, it'll probably go away, kind of, but I think we just need to focus on getting a cure and not freaking the fuck out every 2 seconds anytime anybody hears someone say COVID. Anything that starts with the C, they're like, don't say it. It's like I was gonna say you're a cunt, but never mind. I guess I won't say it. I guess he knew he was gonna say a cunt. That's how I feel. It's not raining. It smells like it's going to rain. If you're wondering how you know it's gonna smell like, how it's gonna rain, the air smells like water. And if you don't know what water smells like, it's because water doesn't technically have a smell or a taste. So, I mean, yeah. Oh, yeah. It also smells with the side of stale piss. And raw asshole, whatever that smells like. Don't ask how something can smell like if you don't know what it smells like, because it does though. Over there it smells like ass, dude. Like mega hard. Over here, yeah, it smells like water. Doesn't smell like how it's normally supposed to be. If you live in New York City, it usually smells like fucking homeless piss, but all of a sudden it kind of smells like a mixture of stale piss, raw ass, and water. Then you know it's gonna rain.
A little bit dizzy. I just wanna move. Can you move right with me? I just wanna move, yeah, 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 yeah. Now fill my cup, get me fucked up. I ain't coming back, nah. I feel the love from all the jack. I'm faded, little bit more gon' get me jaded. Little bit of pills gon' make me famous. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know what you do to me. Try to change the mood I see. Now I'm moving slow. Got me thinking I don't know. Do you really care?
You know, that girl, Quinicki, who's flat-chested and flat-ass, dude, like, she can't stay on the thing because she got nothing, dude. That sounds so wrong. That honestly does. Why the fuck did that come out of my mouth, dude? Shit. Oh, my pussy. Oh, my pussy. That's how it goes. How it goes in the hood. What happens in the hood stays in the hood. You little bitch cunt. Yeah, fuck you. Little bitch. I can go faster. Probably because I'm hogging on over. Nobody fucking dares to overtake me. Oh shit, a truck's coming. I'm about to get fucking hit, dude. 20 points, am I right? That was fucking hella. That was hella jank. Would have been so funny if I'd been hit by a truck.
All these different feelings, are they there now? I feel like I'm losing everything alive. I feel like I'm losing. Tell me that you'll stay. I'm drunk and I'm afraid. Trying to take everything away. Wanna go and take this pain away. Baby, let's go and run away. Oh, baby, let's go and run away. Baby, let's go and run away. Baby, let's go and run away. Oh, oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go that way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go that way. Oh, oh, let's go that way.
Okay, I'm about to shed my opinion on something on vlog. Okay. Is water wet or not I already know all y'all people in the comments are gonna say not, but I'm gonna tell you why it's not. It's wet. Water's wet, alright? Face the truth. Don't be a dummy. Water's wet, okay? I respect your opinion if you respect mine, but... Alright? Water's gotta be wet. You wanna know how? Because something cannot be wet and make something wet. It's just not possible. Okay, you ever try and get dry-ass paper? You ever try and get anything that's dry? Try and make something wet? It just doesn't work. But water all of a sudden is somehow that one element in our lives that is somehow dry but can't make something wet. Or, well, can make something wet, but it's dry, it's not wet. Makes no sense, alright? Because I'm just shedding my opinion. Water has to be wet because you can't take something fucking dry and make something wet with it. It's just not how that fucking works. Okay? It's not how that fucking works. You can't take paper and make other paper wet, dude. You can't take pepper, you can't, well, yeah, pepper, I mean, pepper's like fucking dry as hell, dude. You can't take fucking dried ass cracked pepper, dude, and fucking make fucking shit wet with it. Nah, it's just not how it works, dude. You can't take salt and fucking make something wet with it, dude, because it's dry. You can't take paper and make something wet with it. You just can't make something dry, make something wet. It's just not how that works. So that's my opinion on it, and that's how I think of it. You can't take something that's dry and make something wet. It's just not how it works. Okay? Out of everything that's dry, you can't make it wet. Why would water be that one thing that'd be able to do that? Makes no sense. That's why I think water's wet. Because things that are wet make things wet. Things that are dry, well, they don't do shit other than be dry and start forest fires, but yeah, that's kind of fucked up. But it's true though, you know. Can't take something fucking wet as hell, okay? Or, well, supposedly dry and make something wet with it. It's just not how that works. But like I said, I'll respect your opinion if you respect mine. That's what I always tell people. Hey, I'll respect your opinion if you respect mine, you know? It's just how it is. You gotta respect other people's opinions. I've only met one other person who thinks water isn't wet, and I'm about to get fucking whacked. Oh, that guy's turning that way. It's just not how that works. Hell yeah, brother. Rev your engine, Dale. Show them how big your dick is. But anywho, but yeah, it's just my opinion. I'll respect your guys' in the comments if you respect mine. I've only met one other person who also thinks water's wet. Everybody else thinks water's dry. I don't fucking understand it. I don't understand how you could think water's fucking dry. Water can't be fucking dry, because that makes no sense. People are like, yeah, it's dry, but when you put something on it, it makes it wet. It's like, no, that's not how that works. Can you take dry ass fucking paper and make, you know, something else wet with it? Can you make yourself wet with paper? Maybe if you use it as a dildo, maybe, but can you literally take literal fucking paper or anything else dry in the world and make yourself wet with it? Make anything else wet with it? Nah, you just can't, dude. I don't see why water would have that fucking exception. Not how the world works. I mean, do you see the fucking forest fires in Australia? The forest fires in LA putting themselves out? No. It's because you can't make things that are dry wet. It's just not how it works. That's why I think water is wet. Because it's got to be wet if it's going to make it wet, dude. It's like saying your saliva's wet. Or your urine is wet, dude. And that shit's made out of water, too. That shit's like a lot of your water from your body. Your saliva. And your fucking pee and shit. So if water's not wet, then how are those items wet, you know? You know? Water's fucking wet, guys. Okay? Open your fucking eyes. Little bitch. No, it's true though. Fucking water is wet. It's gotta be. I just don't grasp the concept. And people try and tell me it all the time. It's all like, oh yeah, it's dry until you know, you put it on something, then it makes that item wet, but it's still. It's like, no, that doesn't make sense. Honestly, like, listen to yourselves, guys. If you, I'm not trying to change your opinion, but just if you listen to what you say and listen to how you're saying it and what you're saying it, that even made no sense, then you're gonna realize maybe he's actually somewhat has a point. I mean, because it makes no sense if it says something's dry, but if it touches something, then it makes that item wet, but it's still dry. It's like the main argument I've ever heard, like every single time, or a different version of it that basically says the same thing. Makes no fucking sense to me. Honestly doesn't. It's like, just listen to yourself for a minute. Maybe you'll understand my understanding of it, of why I think it's bullshit. You know? Oh yeah, apparently also the Pentagon said UFOs are a thing. Yeah, nobody's giving a shit about it. Looks like that fucking guy on Ancient Aliens was right, you know? The Pentagon said aliens exist. Wanna know why they said aliens exist? Because they know nobody's gonna fucking talk about it because of this pandemic. Haven't heard a single soul say that the fucking Pentagon said they were fucking aliens, because honestly, A, no one gives a shit. I mean, aliens are outdated. And B, nobody gives a shit. They're all worried about this COVID-19 shit. I'm probably gonna get one of those fucking newsletter things on the bottom of my fucking screen now saying, your COVID-19, get the facts on it. So annoying. You know what? This video is probably gonna fucking get taken down too. You wanna know why? Because fucking YouTube's automated fucking bot system, dude. Took my first video down. The fucking dickheads. I'm about to get whacked, dude. I feel it. This fucking truck and shit. Yo. Got chased by a truck, part 2. Oh wait, I already made that. Part 3. Let's do that. Drive by. Legit though, fucking, I think he's a scrap man. He's got a lot of fucking metal and shit in his truck. You know, you get paid somewhat good money for that as long as you get a shit ton of shit. You get paid. Dude, my mom needs to get that. What the fuck? Oh wait, the door is already unlocked, but I just fucking noticed, dude. She needs. Dude. Yeah, I think your muffler is falling off, homie. Dude, what the fuck? It like bent her bumper a little bit, dude. Oh, it's melting her bumper, dude. It melted her bumper a little bit. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm pretty sure fucking mufflers ain't supposed to look like that, homie. Dude, that fucking muffler's all pointed down and shit, and it melted her fucking bumper a little bit. I ain't no car mechanic or anything, well, sort of, but pretty sure that ain't supposed to be like that. That melted her fucking bumper and shit. The fucking muffler is all like, dude, what the fuck? I don't know if you could see that, but Jesus fucking Christ. The muffler has basically only been held on by like 2 nuts. It came completely off the fucking exhaust pipe too. Either that or the exhaust pipe snapped. Like right off. Something happened because that fucking muffler spoke to me.